Zetsu is the manga reading app for iOS. Just search Zetsu by Orion on the App Store and then install it. Let's open after the installation for the first time. It's got 4 tabs. Currently we're on Discover tab. Second is Favorites, third is Search, and the fourth one is Downloads. First thing you want to do after the installation of Zetsu is to install the modules. So you can go to Modules Manager here. You can also access the modules by tapping on 3 small lines at the top left side and you'll get the Modules Manager. To add modules inside the Zetsu, launch your Safari and simply Google search for Zetsu Modules GitHub. Click on the first link here, Zetsu and Zetsu Modules. We're gonna change the filter firstly. Tap on Settings, scroll wheel button here and select the text manga and select the module type as image and hide this. These all are manga modules. We can just add them by tapping on Add to Zetsu. I want to add this manga pill module or extension. Tap on Add to Zetsu and then tap on Open. It automatically installs the modules. Now we can just tap on Add here to add the module. Agree these terms. Once you add the module, tap on Modules Manager once again. Tap on Import here and the module will get added. To add any other modules, you can just come back to this page. Pick any module, tap on Add to Zetsu, open and just add. You can always change your default module by tapping on the top right side here and select the module of your choice. Besides this, we can customize the settings on this app. Tap on Settings and we've got a lot of settings to customize here. Clear cache, clear search history, simultaneous downloads, download quality. Also, we've got the developer mode if you want. So that's all about the Zetsu manga reader app for iOS. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.